Haley Grace, a broker with Emerald Investment Real Estate. We're here today in beautiful Rancho Santana, Nicaragua, a gated community on the Pacific coast. We are at Casa O11, a newly listed home. Let's go inside and check it out. Of the home, the kitchen. This kitchen was beautifully remodeled with a nice big island, brand new countertops, brand new high-end appliances, nice entertaining space. It flows beautifully out to the living room with the expansive coastline views. Thanks guys. If you have any more questions about Casa O11, please feel free to reach out to me on Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, or email. Speak to you soon.